Okay, we're gonna do this quick and we're gonna do it fast. We've got this game, press any button. Say it takes about an hour to beat. So I'm going to try to beat it. It's currently at 9:20 and I wanted to go to bed at a appropriate time. So good. Oh shit. The test will end in approximately 58 minutes. Are you fucking kidding? By the way, you're a natural. My name is AI, and this experiment is incredibly dull. He's not wrong. I finally said it. Who am I? I'm an artificially made intelligence. What was I made for? To manage the experiment you have just agreed to participate in. Cool. Let's try again. Bitch. Bro, it was at like 99%. Are you fucking kidding me? No. Oh my god. I clicked on it to unfreeze it and it friggin' see what I'm talking about? It's at 100%. Okay, I'm gonna lose my mind. To finish it. Yeah, thanks. I might fail, but at least this time I will try. Wow, crazy. You know how to make the game more interesting. Oh, come on. Is it a good idea? Yeah, sure, buddy. Why not? Get ready for some variety. Yay. It was an informed decision. Let's keep playing. I'm turning into a chatterbox. No shit. Isn't the column an important symbol for... Oh, shut up, man. I've studied history and know that the column has been considered a symbol of stability since ancient times. People also erect columns to commemorate important events or to remember someone they don't want to forget. But I also have a personal reason to use this symbol. That's great. I'd love to hear more. Please explain why. Oh, fuck me. Let's get back to it. I need your help to play the notes. Oh, fuck. Only oh god, it's gonna become a rhythm game. Fuck. I expected there would be more. If any... Fuck me. Okay. Thank you for your help. Although you missed a few notes. Actually sound. Do you like it? That sucked balls. He's gonna become like a, he's just like, yeah, I didn't really like that much either, so it's normal that you didn't like it. You missed a few notes. Okay, shut the fuck up. Should have sounded like something like this. We'll put you on the track. No. He should have said, I didn't really like it either. Gee, dude, just his sad excuse. That's why we will enjoy music by a real composer. Do you like classical? Fuck. Not really. Then I will enjoy it, and you will just be listening. I'm not talented enough to compose music. Jesus. I may not be talented enough to get this game done either. Being responsible for the death of the first artificial intelligence in this life. Ah! My favorite time of day. The lab personnel started to show up. He hates the fucking people. I'm making this AI hate people. The snowman is doomed. I don't think he's like, I'm making him sad anyway. I think he just honestly hates people. Really, you're flattering me, but it feels good. What's this? Oh, he's gone. Well, I'm gonna go after some achievements tomorrow probably. But yeah. Yes! Alright, that's easy. Oh, I got an Easter egg. Let's go. Alright, I got the other one. Well, that was fun. The game in general is pretty fun. But I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching.